Make this pasta when you want a quick meal. To start, in a dish, add 2½ cups of pasta, 2½ cups of heavy cream, 1½ cups of tomato sauce, 2 cups of hot water, and stir to combine. Tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Now add 1 diced pepperoni, 2 cups of bacon, 2 cups of green corn, shredded chicken to taste, and stir to combine. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and so delicious. I'm sure everyone in your family will like the result. Also, add half a grated onion, 1 teaspoon of chimichurri, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, olives to taste, and stir again. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, "I love pasta." Next, cover with aluminum foil and bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After that, add grated mozzarella cheese to taste. Finally, bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the cheese is all gratin. And now our recipe is ready, and all you have to do is enjoy. Be sure to make this recipe at home and come back to tell me how it turned out. We'd love to know. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.